So, yeah.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Martin County and central Minecraft, east central Convica County and central Minecraft, central Clatsop County and east central Minecraft, until 9:30 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., train spotters and National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a tornado. This tornado was in between Farland and Brogan, or near Steelport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this possibly damaging tornado include Brogan, Farland, Steelport, and Riverton.
So it doesn't even matter.
You're literally making no sense right now.
I'm just saying, what if it's